Today I'm eating bulgogi.
Let me taste it first.
I really like, no, this is
Hold
why
on. I'm gonna eat bulgogi, guys. This is my first time trying it of the spice. I'm cooked. Okay, anyways, before I do it, I need a max because I can't use my hat no more. Where's the kitty? Kitty! Kitty! I'll try to find her later. But I'm just gonna eat bulgogi. And I have water just in case. I think we need milk!
Then you want to try it? Here.
Okay.
It's spicy.
Oh no. Here it is. Yes, my glitter. I'm so scared.
You know what? When you're with me,
I know.
it really does.
Oh!
It is very nice. It's like mellow.
Oh, because I have, well, usually like talking, I don't really swear.
Milk! Milk! Milk!
Martini.
Milk! Milk! Milk!
I don't need to ask if you're paying attention. I know you are.
Hey! Bruh!
You just call me bro.
Dude, my oldest son calls me bro. I'm like, dude, really? What's up, bro?
Oh my god, so I come in, I was like, okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go smoke. I'll be back.
Oh, hold on. Alright, we just got milk.
Ooh. I was in the middle of something, and I was like, I said.
I didn't eat the whole thing. And here it is. I'm so scared.
If your mom asked you to do these dishes, I wouldn't. And he's like, no. I went to pick him up, and we started talking about like how Nate was here and how you were.
Oh!
And you were like, no, I gotta leave right now. I gotta go pick him up. Was the last words you said to me. So I'm like, oh,
It's hot.
so I came
Oh.
up, he was in
Oh!
the door.
Oh! Oh!
And I'm like, oh, he goes, where's my mom? I was like,
Yeah, fine.
I drank like half of
first of all, I
it.
thought she brought you here. Because the last thing I heard on the first day, so
Now this is it for today. Okay, eat one more bite.